This is the elevator at Stop and Shop in Howell, New Jersey. It's a Schindler. Here it is. Mezzanine. Just go up. Come on, Chloe. Listen to the motor. Might only take one ride on this. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to be on this elevator. I might take just close. May take another ride though. I'm not sure if this is public or staff. This is the same kind of elevator at the Acme I work at. Only this one's 2,500 and the Acme I work at's 2,100 pounds. This one seems older though. Oops. Close. Listen again. If someone says something, they'll probably be nice about it. Because, you know, it's not locked and stuff. They ask me what I'm doing. I'll tell them that I didn't know this was staff only. Watching clues. There it goes, and exit.